Good afternoon from the Imsyser team. It's Diane speaking. We are doing a series on the Imsyser health products that are available. A lot of people like getting the information in a video format as opposed to sending them a lot of information that needs to be read through. So one of the products we're going to be discussing this afternoon is in the Imsyser range is the Steri Drops. It's a product that we sell as far as superbugs are concerned. So it does help to clean water, make water drinkable. The tests and the studies and the clinical trials that have been done on the product, it's as simple as almost taking a bit of water that's polluted, even in a toilet environment, and you add the drops to the water, you can clean up the water so you can actually make it drinkable. So that will make it ideal for people that need to travel, people that need to travel abroad and maybe traveling in the form of hiking, and that would take something like this and add it to their backpack, and you can almost drink any water from any source just by cleaning up the water. So too, these Steri Drops have the ability to clean bugs and do a sort of sanitizing effect, whether you need it to clean a lot of the people in the poorer areas, they need to clean the water or get their hands clean. Ladies battling with menstrual cycles and they're using tampons and various other spaces and places one would need that. And simply using it as something that you take along in your bag. You've picked up a superbug, and that happens a lot when people come out of hospital environments or places where they've picked up a superbug. We've known of people that were desperately ill and literally nothing was helping them to get rid of that chronic diarrhea, the cramping and everything else that goes hand in hand with picking up a superbug. And merely adding this to the water, even when people battle with chronic diarrhea, we put a couple of drops in a glass of water, and every time that the stomach would move or there'd be a bit of diarrhea, even vomiting, you would take another glass of water, not only hydrating, but you're also getting this product in, and it would eventually with time start, assist in stopping that superbug from doing all that type of damage, and the person has time to recuperate. So it is a very simple product. There's a couple of metal salts. It's a very natural product. Just want to hold it there so you can see that. The whole theory behind the Imsyser product range is trying to assist with disease prevention and promoting health. And in some cases, this would be not just promoting health, it would actually help maintain relative health by managing superbugs, whether you use it internally or on the skin, washing your fruit. As I said, menstrual health for some people, whatever the circumstances, you can actually manage to keep all the systems nice, clean and sanitized. So it's a very niche product, very different, and it works like a charm. We've had fantastic feedback. It is a product so simple to use and it's very affordable. You can throw it in a bag, take it on your travels, however you need to use that. So that's the Steri Drops from the Imsyser range. And if there's anything else you'd like to know, you are also welcome to go onto our website to read up about the products. Hope that makes a lot of understanding, easier understanding for a lot of people. Thank you. Keep well. Bye-bye.